Austin Forkner is making some waves from the couch right now. Obviously, we haven't seen him from his crash in Dallas. And what he said to start off this whole thing was, quote, "Hey guys, as some of you know, I wear contacts when I ride, and one of them fell out in the race in Dallas before I crashed. So I decided to get LASIK. I didn't want that to happen ever again because if you wear contacts or glasses, you can imagine how tough it was to essentially be riding blind on a supercross track. Is that why I crashed? I don't know. It's hard to say. Anyways, this will be for better normal life and racing. I'm recovering now and feeling good. That's all perfectly fine. Well, whatever, who cares? But as a series of overlay photos will soon be coming up to see you, it's really what he said in response to a couple of comments. And it basically sounds like he's just bashing everybody else, saying, "Oh, yeah, no, I was better than everybody else with half an arm blind with a knee problem." And he's not wrong. I mean, he was winning and he did have the red plate and he was winning. The problem with Austin Forkner, though, is every single year he's winning and then he's injured. It doesn't matter how fast you are. It doesn't matter how good you are, how many races you win. If you miss half of the season every single season, like great, you had the red plate. You probably would have won this championship. You probably could have moved up to a 450 ride after that. Instead, you're now 20. I don't know how old Austin Forkner is, but somebody tell me in the comments below. I'm going to say mid-20s. And, you know, you got people coming up faster, younger kids, Deegan, all the new generation people. And he's getting older and older and still getting injured and injured. It becomes the problem of how long can you keep doing this where you're just, you know, injured over and over again as you're getting 26, 27, 28, you know. I don't know. You guys, it's just, I don't know. 25, I looked it up. Tell me, again, comment down below if you were correct. I would have said like 26, 27, but it's going to be one of those things that if you're sitting on the sidelines telling people that, "Oh, I'm so much better than you, I just was winning, I wasn't even healthy," but they're sitting there going, "Yeah, well, you got to, basically, you have to be in it to win it. You have to be racing. You can't be on the sidelines for half a season or miss a whole season or, you know, 2, 3 races this year and completely screw your championship up. And then this year where you should have won it, he really should have. Should have just bunkered down, raced safely, and then, but now to blame LASIK and say that he would have crushed everybody else, I don't know. Comments below, you guys tell me. What do you think of this? What do you won the championship? Did you want to see him win the championship? And what do you think of this? Basically, just like having a little Twitter feud, think like ringing his own bell. To me, yeah, it's fun. It brings a little something out of the side, and I do think he would have won. But that's my opinion. Comment down below. You guys tell me. Like I said, do you think he would have won? Did you want to see him to win? What do you think of this? Whatever it is, comment down below. I don't care. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.